Hello, I'm Sandy. It's a gossip girl. Every week, Queen Nani responds to the comments about her reality show that is every Sunday. This past Sunday, things got hectic. Queen Nani gave birth at home on purpose. Why? Because she wanted to go to private hospital, and Reverend Mlomi did not have the money. So Arkai option again. Home birth, and I've got YouTube tutorials to guide me. So like Nandi has high standards, and I don't know what is wrong with public hospitals. So she read all of your comments online, and she's like, I am going to respond to you one by one.
So ndiva kuthiwa iyahlebisa into yokuzibelekela endlini. I'm not sure why, but ifani into ba ihlebise because omakhulu benu abazali benu babebabelekele ezindlini, and abanye babazali benu banizalele ema-toilet babhaqa beyoniflasha abasaniflasha ke because babhaqiwe banibelekele ezi-toilet bencediswa by fellow students or itishala. Abanye babebeleka phandle umuntu aye kude apho angazubhaqa khona abeleke loo nto ayishiye lapho. You understand? So I don't understand why isikizi liphi. Abanye benu kungoku in this day and age nisabaflash abantwana. You understand? Nisabaflash abantwana. It's just that ngoku izibindi zenu izinto zenu nizenza undercover. You understand? So strange uba umfazi otshatileyo beleka umntana wakhe wesixhenxe uzenzele. I didn't need assistance. It's my 7th baby. Like, so can balance what's indone ebabazisayo kuyo yonke lento. Oh, nine drama, and as a result I feel like we're a generation of weak women because we've given our power away. Take your power back, sis. Take your power.
Reverend Mlombi went live with Queen Nandi. He does not care what the public thinks of him, crying on national TV. He says men shouldn't bottle up. But they said that phrase kaSxhosa. Reverend Mlombi and Queen Nandi, they're planning on getting a podcast that talks about marriage, the good side of the marriage and the bad side of the marriage. So the public often judges Nandi's character, rightfully so. They believe that she is toxic. Yalina, sometimes when I watch the show, I cringe. But Nandi is Nandi. If you ever watched Pastor's Wives for 3 seasons, you would know what, this is how she rolls. Like, she does not care. Nandi is nonchalant about how people think of her and your opinions. She lives her truth. Nandi has no filter. You won't come up to her with your own opinions and tell her, or no, this is how a pastor's wife should conduct herself in public. Now, not Nandi. She does not care. She does not give her its ass. She would do what she wants, and at whatever cost. So I like that about Nandi because she hasn't changed. I watched Nandi on TV for 4 years now straight. She hasn't changed. Even if you watch her on social media and read her posts, you know that this is Nandi for you. So I like that about her and the husband as well. At first I thought that no, man. You know, the thing with the reality show, Msanti, it's that they cut the good parts. They only show us the bad parts. The whole day the family could be having a good time, but when they go and edit, they only show us where Reverend Mlombi is crying. So I like the fact that these two, they understand each other. So if you can watch this live, you'd see that these two, they fight, they make up, and they love each other together with their flaws. Tina, we just feel sorry for Reverend Mlombi. We just feel Nandi wa Maabiza. Nope. It's nothing like that. It's just their lifestyle.
Yo, guys, you know what? I was thinking this morning.
Linda, social media. Live, and then kunelihlo next to the live. So uyalinda kubekho abantu phaya. So
abantu naba abantu by 26.
Kaloku suba sishwayembano awunothetha besembali.
Why?
No, have standards, bro.
So bakho bathini mabukele mina ndilanti kandibambe isidlele.
Why wena ubamba isidlele ngathi ukhedamile?
Ndiyamile.
Anyway, what I'm saying is, like, have some self-love. We are linda phayana next, like,
so bebangaphi?
At least culture 100 singathetha.
So ngokuba you101 so ndithethe.
Thetha kaloku.
No, like
bulisa kaloku.
Molweni ninjani? Masithembe niyaphila. Yo hayi lonto ndizayeka nalento.
Why?
Asuka chi. Ndingaba ngathi ndiyathetha uyagxeka uyahlaba. Hayi zasendlile once.
No, you did not say that.
No, it's because that's the comment I always get when I wake up on my what socials. It's either someone.
No,
I'll
you
be
should go
talking about
live on your own
something.
page. Because
Hayi.
bahlali besithi ndimo
Eke-
let's set the
eke-
record straight.
Ke mntaka van khawutsho nyhani ndithethe because hayi andinikwa chance hle nje ndiyahlatywa. Like nyhani yazi one of the things sivele sabantwana esikolweni by the way last day of school so we thought masingagoduki straight sike sibethwe ngumoya. But what amazes me mna is like every comment I get yo khaye kukhala yo ukhala kakhulu. It's like, do you guys have this picture of me like waking up ndiyavuka
Khona
nje
umuntu othi hello from
molweni
Mozambique.
molweni
Futhi
eMozambique
oh,
molweni eMozambique.
Uthobile yizulu sawubona eMozambique.
So when I'm gonna say what I want to say and then
Never mind.
yo hayi mntaka
But uyayazi
Yo.
ne-ADD I can't sit still for
So
long.
it's like nyhani there is this thing notion uba hayi noma ndivuka nje zingubeni ndisabulisa umfazi ndisamncamisa sendikhala yo I wish I know I knew how to act because the only cameo role I got was uSmoke and Mirrors when I was doing the wedding. Mhlawumbi nyhani if maybe I need to get roles ndifundiswe how to act like I'm crying. But guys, and I want to say this on a serious note to all men out there. There's nothing wrong when something triggers you. Whatever, you know, some people might have opinions of why and I'm crying and wara, but when something triggers you, I don't see anything wrong. Ube emotional, and it differs how. And I honestly want to say this. I don't even regret or feel sorry about crying. And it is how no matter what people say, if I feel like crying, I will cry. Regardless. I shouldn't have done lento mna because gibe ndiyazi izawuphuma apho ku. But guys, yeah mna I honestly it doesn't bother me, and yeah for me people commenting doesn't bother me as well
again.
But it just makes me laugh that abantu seem to feel good I need to stop.
I'm asking for myself.
Ask.
But like crying as a man, okay, personally I have issues with the crying man.
Hi guys.
Yes. Issues because ndikhule kusithwa ubana indoda ayikhali, and that's
Kwakutshuba.
Hayibo, it's like one of those, I can't say so and so said it, it's one of those norms. And then ke ngoku personally ndithetha ngam guys, and futhi ndingafuni ukucontrola emotions zam okanye xa toxic when I'm speaking my truth. If it's toxic then tough. Like indoda ekhalayo guys, I don't know, maybe I still need counseling ngayo because mna ndikhule kusithi indoda ayikhali, ikhalela ngaphakathi.
But that's the bottom line is, or the point is, and what had happened is, for example, I'm going to share this, and I've never shared it with you now. For example, my as you know, I mean, I will show it shows reality. As much but there is a history of suicide. And simply because they couldn't talk about their feelings, they couldn't share their feelings, they couldn't cry in public, but they'd go and some of them ended up hanging themselves. And that's never gonna happen to me. And as long as I feel like it, I'm gonna go for it. And unfortunately, in reality, at the time you were pregnant, and you know when you're pregnant, I get so emotional. I don't know why.
Which is always annoying.
So
I find it so annoying, guys. So when I don't know, with I think the last 3 or 4, well 4, the last 4, okay. Besides 6 abandon, I used to say in the first half, in the second. So the first half would be Ulizalisa and Amawele 3, and then Ubezi toddlers that come after Ulizalisa, which is the second half. Now it's the second half.
Exactly. Someone agrees with me. Yes.
No, we're not saying don't cry. You can cry, but because porridge brain, guys, is a thing. It's real. So you see now. So like I noticed from pregnancy, Kukechi, your guy was emotional. Like he would get morning sickness. Like seriously, I wouldn't get morning sickness. But cravings, I had no cravings. He would get the cravings. Like at first, like I didn't understand. Like I took no notice about it could be the pregnancy that's causing him, or he's taking all these hormones and then kusnelizwi hayi ke kusinelizwi mntakabawo even seshumayela akhale kukhala amarhamente ndiqomba wow it's kuningi to a point I stopped going to church because I was tired of crying.
Someone saw me at Pumi's husband's funeral decor.
Exactly. And I think yes unyanisile, because even then I had just had Usneli's. That's why I couldn't go, because I had a newborn, and he was so emotional. It was like, yo guys, I'm not going to overwhelm her, because I'm like, sifika njani where I'm the one who should be nursing, Ndimo pregnant, Ndimo who just had a baby. So those emotions, when do I get, that pity party or that pregnancy?
Go look for a job, Pastor. Guys, and that's another thing. Do people think I sit around and not looking for umsebenzi?
And that time,
I've been to different interviews. I've been shortlisted. I'm applying CV. So guys, don't. And I did work after Ngasebenzanga Wizila, by the way. For these 3 years, not like I've been sitting at home doing nothing. I had 2 jobs. I worked at prison, Sun City. I worked at Sun City. I worked at a Catholic school as well as a counselor. So I had umsebenzi twice, and I still looking for umsebenzi. So the notion yokuba ndihlele endlini and want people to, and I don't know why people think I want, and I'm not going to defend. I don't want people to feel sorry for me. And so skepsel, I do look for work. I'm qualified. I'm a postgrad. I'm a postgrad, so I'm qualified.
Speak English.
So I look for umsebenzi. I've worked twice. For my own reasons, I didn't
yes,
continue.
He's a graduate.
So please, ningacinga uba ndihleli nje. No, amhlelanga nje. So le into abantu mabayazi. Naleyo uvula icawa, when God says so, I will do. If uThixo akatsho andizoyenza. So yeah, and please, people, just know when I cry or talk about not having umsebenzi or the trials and tribulations that I'm going through, andifuna usizelwa or for people to feel sorry for me now. I'm just sharing them because it's my reality. That's what's happening. So please.
How do I activate? Activate.
Yeah, no, it's true. I don't have to explain myself. That is true. I owe no one anything, but I just feel there are things that people need to know, and yeah, for me, it's part of that. But again, I don't owe anyone anything. But the reason I did, okay, we decided to do also the live is just also to answer some questions that people have. Not to explain myself, but answer some questions. Because other people ask out of concern. But yeah, that's the bottom line.
Anyway, no person wants to sit down. And also, there's also this notion that okay, people say, okay, I've seen lately a lot, the reason ungapangeli, it's my fault.
I cry one more time and it's the emotions. We love you too, Bulebut. We love you too, Stark.
Ngiyathanda kwakho loo nto ndinqabela umama kwakho inamba yakhe bendina. I don't know what happened to my SIM card. Ndiyamkhangela, please.
I don't know how to try for a radio. I should try for a radio. If you know, please let me know.
I don't have your preaching voice, and so if the voice it disappears. Ndisathetha no Tatu Kovan. Ndicela undithethele nonkosazi wakhe andidrophele uWhatsApp ndiyamkhangela. Khona into ephuthumayo. Where was I? So guys, and then there's this notion yokubana ubizo likamfundisi uMlombi lugqitywe ndim and what not. Now guys, ndizawuthethela ndifuna noba uyicacisa uthini. Like ndifuna nikhe ni-apply ingqondo zenu. So if kuthiwa ndine power to ukumgqibela ubizo lwakhe okanye umgqibela umsebenzi, ungakuzibuze nje uba ngumfazi otheni, like where did she get this power? Like I feel like you guys abo babelieve uba umsebenzi wawugqityelwa isiXhosa is not my mother tongue, it is wawugqityelwa ndim umsebenzi. Ngawuzibuza uba wayibizwe ndim kuqala, like ubizwe ndim that I get to decide.
No, talk.
So yes, why bizwe ndim? Because my thing I've always maintained, uThixo lo wayembizile will sustain him, and God has sustained him. Has God not sustained him?
Yes.
You are still standing because God lo ekubizile usakubizana namhlanje. maybe it may be a pause, because I also believe God allows things to happen for a reason. So you may be at this pause, or this restart button, or it's an end of another era and the start of another one. That's between you and your God. No one can really say. Even abathi bakwenzela phansi becinga uba they buried you. Those abasemagunyeni that thought baya kungcwaba ngokukhupha esitishini, actually they planted you. Look, you are blooming. You are blooming. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Can I get an amen? So bebecinga baya kungcwaba kanti baya planta. And
Ndithetha isiXhosa, mother tongue yam sisiXhosa.
What is your mother tongue kanti?
So babini sisiXhosa.
It's Xhosa. Kaloku guys, I didn't go there by, the yellow shirts where if I
yabona ngifuna usixabanisa ukuthi she doesn't give me a chance to speak. Udala ndithetha kaloku nayo inkosikazi
niyaxabanisa nina. Ninomoya wokuxabanisa.
Thanks for saying I'm kind. I'm kind.
Akazukhala, ukhalela abantwana bakhe nenkosikazi. I see what you did there. Shame on you. Shame on you. So the God who called my husband, I don't care who says what. Now you like Abanaziyo from way back, from before social media, before reality shows, they know if there's one person
for the podcast, watch the space.
If there's one person who is a cheerleader of a husband, it's me. Like I feel like sometimes I see potential even in himself. So Lord Tukisa up, I'm not saying that can do block
because Jezebel spirit.
Jezebel spirit, hey, if ubengekho ref bendizawuthetha ngayo, because kuqhuba yona ecaweni, it is led, the church is led by the Jezebel spirit, but I'm not going to get into that. But one thing, network
it's not natural, it's nangulo. No mthandazo.
It's a Jezebel spirit in you. And you are seeing the Jezebel spirit because you are recognizing I have no Jezebel spirit. If there's one thing, now I fought for my husband, and I would do it all over again. The one thing, who was on social media in 2022, it was around this time, around September. The first post I wrote about the church, that was after.
If you want to know how I deal with Unandi, go follow me on my page, Rev Mlombi.
So I came here fighting for justice, that Jezebel spirit that was chasing prophets. Like ukubona Jezebel spirit at play. Okay, this is an Elijah Jezebel vibe going, and I fought because lixesha lamanina ngoku. Abona abantu who have been given power is women, and so I fought for my man. I fought for my man, and I still do. Yes, him.
Thanks, Lotus Bahle.
I may fight in Janganti network like and also it's a sign we should go home.
We'll go, but by 8 we should be home.
So guys,
no,
season 2 and the ref. Well, that is up to Mzansi Magic. Listen.
No, it's just that Abantu also need to know if like we're gonna do. Okay, we're planning. We'll see how it goes. Maybe in future a podcast unmasking marriage.
A
podcast unmasking marriage. Go. Okay, how do they follow?
It's on YouTube. So we have okay, aska posting yet. We haven't had time to, sit and come up with the topics that we're going to be breaking down. Better. I don't know, but at least when it's not the sun. So the podcast, the aim of the podcast is not to discredit umtshato. I know a lot of podcasts or a lot of people umtshato ngoku sebe discredit. So the aim is to show the reality of umtshato. I feel like a lot of public figures, a lot of people that we look up to that are married, we show the one side of umtshato, and there's nothing wrong with it. I'm not saying bar wrong, but we tend to show the better side of umtshato. All right, we show the better side of umtshato. And personally, I don't know about you. Personally, I feel like before kubenala better, there's also a worse that we signed up for as married couples. Kauchati vows is the for better or for worse. Ne? And Tina, we only share kakuse better. For rich or for poor, we only share kagu rich. You understand that? In sickness and in health, see.
I was just checking comments.
Oh, okanye ndithini ndicime i-Wi-Fi yenzela uba zingalwi. Yo ayisandidike ilanti usathana ujumpa amafensi sana. So as I was saying, so the podcast is to show the flip side of marriage, the behind the scenes of many couples. And I think one of the things that that gets people's emotions babe emotional is that nina ezizinto kuni kungu behind the scenes. Tina, we've brought them forward. Yabon.
If you're gonna let PG, if you're gonna let reality of other people like when umtshato, trust me, you'll never get married.
Exactly.
Because the bottom line is, and that's what saying, we try to show both sides of marriage in that podcast.
Exactly.
Because guys, you need to remember we're living our reality there, so we're trying to show both sides of umtshato. Do you think do you think we sihlala sisilo okanye unandi uhlale ethetha kwada lethetha nam, or do you think ndihlala ndilila daily? Or whatever I do I do it daily, or does she do it daily?
As
no.
if wena into yenzayo.
So those are things we'll be talking about, unmasking marriage, the reality. But rather learn from other people, whether you think it's negative or positive.
Learn what
you
to
learn
do,
what to do and what not to do. But don't let other people's struggles or situation discredit you or zikucothise ukwenza into ofuna uyenza. Uzothi ngenye imini xa ungatshatanga uthi it's because of ubani.
Gandokazi, thank you so much.
And by the way, if we're all lovey-dovey, we reality to men's out here act often when it is here but bottom line is we're just living the way we live, Getina, and showing you what happens on a daily basis. Like now, if Besilo, do you think we'll be doing this live? We'll go and take kids to get the school in, and then Sibu we decide to stop on
as
the way
if
to
nina
do
niphuma kumakhaya imitshato
such
yakhona
things.
perfect. Guys, ndibe nomdla uba abantu who will come and discredit umtshato ba like, oh hayi if umtshato yilento, then I don't want anything to do with it. Okanye mhlambe niphuma apho kungatshatwanga khona. I don't know, I was raised by married couples, so I saw them fight, I saw them love one another. They still fight to date. They still, so mhlambe nina niphuma kumitshato enjani? Hayi inoba mhlambe lo wasekhaya ubutoxic, lo abazali bam that had ups and downs.
Isixhosa sakho mlax tamlulax asivakala ukuthi baqhawuka baqhamka buqhamka apho uqhawuke bandiyazi. Please do let me
Baqhamka
know.
isiZulu, ukuqhamka
I don't know what that means.
Ukuqhamka is just, so basically uthi awubizwanga, like it just jumped in front of you.
Hayi ndiyabulela Thixo wakwaZulu.
No, you did not do that. Zola, you are very shady. And that's another thing people don't know about you. You throw a lot of shade.
They don't have to know everything about me.
No, but you're very shady.
Bazathi nguwe, so it's fine.
Then don't divorce Mrevke. Kaloku xa nisithi kufuneka ndimo omoshela, mhlawumbe ukhona unkosikazi ofit for e-calling.
Everyone is a narcissist, yes, kwakhe.
Including you are the biggest,
fact
and the
that
scary part is that you're in denial.
We all have, okay, Manditi, let me not say everyone is a narcissist. We all have narcissistic traits.
You don't outgrow it.
Yeah, so unfortunately, that we cannot help. And then I think that's why the counseling is important. But it helps now because it's going to help you to identify which is a positive thing.
Which means now we have bony traits and we identify. And also, like you people that have a lot to say about the next person, why narcissist, any diagnosis about the narcissist. Let's tell us about you a bit. How's your marriage? How long you've been married? You know, we'll find good, there's hope when do talk about your marriage, because I know your husband is on someone's DMs right now and you are busy here looking for people and you are projecting. And my page, I don't page, I'm live with a page in yam. Ukhaliswa wena lo ukhala ngenarcissist, you are confusing me for your husband okukhalisa day and night ngenza kalalanga nasendlini, and you are scared of him. Ambodila naye, tell that man where to get off. Uyeka uzobleedela kum, uyeka ukuzondenza punching bag, your emotional punching bag. So ungakuli ngicela kakubi mina. Hayi ungaphuma one side, Popo, it's my page. This is my page, we are on my page. Uyapha kwakho. yabo ungathatha ifowuni le yakho singene phaa kwakho and then sithi malibongwe igama lenkosi athi umuntu esithi athi ekhulula iblumas azokakela enhloko uthi alibongwe igama angeke
Okay guys, we've got 3 minutes left before we go.
Mna ndizothi malibongwe. I will tell you where to get off. Guys, actually, tell you you are onto something.
I don't know, but the mornings are always good.
Right.
The mornings are always good. Like not every morning we're gonna go live.
Ndiqalile kakade yo mna guys andibhalwanga kwa toilet sana uthi xa uphisi uqonda uzaya kunandi no I don't roll that way.
Am I that shady now?
You throw a lot of shade. You throw a lot of shade.
We love you too, guys. I see those, but
guys, and we have to love and leave you.